Make soft, fluffy, and delicious potato bread with raisins using simple ingredients. We started by peeling our potato. I'm adding the already peeled potato in a pot to boil. So cover the potato, let it boil till soft. Now the potato is soft. I'm taking the potato out of the pot and I just put it in a bowl and I started mashing it. Mash the potato until the potato is very, very soft. I mean very, very soft without lumps. Yeah, you will match it until the potato is soft enough that when you touch it, you don't feel any lump in it. So I continue to match this potato till I obtain a soft and a consistent texture. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. So for today's recipe, we're using 4 eggs. As you could see, I'm cracking the eggs into the potato already mashed. Then I'm gonna mix everything together. Give it a thorough mix. Give it a nice mix. Look at it looking fluffy already, looking good. So I added 2 spoons of baking soda. I added 2 tablespoons of flour. Then I added Greek yogurt and I'm mixing everything together right now. Give it a thorough mix, give it a proper mix. As you could see, it's very, very soft. I just added salt and I added honey. I added a spoon of butter and I continue to mix everything together. As I'm mixing it, I'm adding more flour just to make sure I get a little bit thick, consistent dough from the flour. So guys, do well to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment on the video, love this recipe. I will make more of this recipe for you guys. So I'm trying to make sure that the entire dough is properly mixed. I transfer it to a bowl. So we added raisins to this bread. I didn't show it in this video, so we added raisins while we mixed it and we baked it under 350-degree oven. Guys, see how fluffy, how nice this bread is looking. If you want to make healthy bread at home, use this recipe method.